Ever got super excited to give a new AI dev tool a spin, just to end up wasting hours on basic setup? Or worst of all, see it refactor your entire project into nonsense? Believe me too. So, is Replit AI in 2025 really the game changer? Or just another sleek tool with more trouble than triumph? Let's get real, just as if I were talking to you after a long late-night caffeine-fueled code fest. Replit aims to be the easiest way to code in your browser, and in 2025, their AI is next level. No installs, just sign in and start building. Python, JS, whatever. The AI assistant, it auto-completes, debugs, explains wacky code, and can even write entire features. Trustpilot and Reddit shoutouts say it rocks for fast prototyping, learning, and team collab. But users are split. Some love how it just works for new projects. Others complain about errors on bigger builds, shaky customer support, or the AI doing bizarre stuff. It's wild for getting ideas live, but not a replacement for full-blown pro dev environments if you're building major apps or need tight security. So how does it stack up against the competition? Replit is goated for beginners, hackathons, code collabs, and launching fast. If you want old school deep ID stuff, check Bolt. For drag and drop vibes, lovable wins. If you dig honest takes, subscribe and click the next vid for more raw tech reviews. Seriously, coding should be fun, not frustrating.